Have you ever wondered where the popping sound comes from when you crack your knuckles? After a tiring study session, when you stretch in your chair and crack your knuckles, you see or hear a very satisfying popping sound. Well, hello and welcome to Allsensionopedia, where this particular segment of episodes will make you or dawn upon you the fact related to human body, starting with the cracking your knuckles. Well, the joints, in between the joints, there is a liquid called synovial fluid. It is a very concentrated, viscous, dark liquid which gets expanded, and due to this expansion, these form bubbles. The larger bubbles pops and leave another popping sound. The smaller bubbles pops too, but later leaves another popping sound, which is why you hear a very satisfying popping sound. But you must have heard from your elders that when you will crack your knuckles, you will get arthritis in early stages of your old age. Is that true, or is it? Well, it is not. Dr. Donald Unger devoted his 50 years of his life proving this misconception wrong. How? He cracked his left hand's knuckle relatively straight 50 years, and guess what? He did not got arthritis. He proved this misconception wrong. Out and out, do not take cracking your knuckles for granted. Till then, keep learning, stay safe.